Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Up next is my vintage HIATT 1970. This handcuff design is heavily influenced by peerless models available at the time. The main difference between them is the location of the double lock mechanism. It is a single pawl swing-through design that inspired the UK police force to stop using the old Derby design. UK bobbies thought these handcuffs were the future, and they were right. Safe, strong and lightweight. Can the jackknife beat them? Yes, but that's not really a fair test. In the 1970s these tools were not available. You either had a key, or you had a bobby pin. So similar technique as the peerless. Reach in deep within the body, grab the lug and lever it aside. You can do the same technique on the locking pawl, but you need to reach pretty deep to dive over the heavy spring and clip the mechanism. So, easy way out is to use the pin as a shim. There you are guys, a no-bend method on the Peerless HIATT 1970 handcuffs. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.